Now let us solve the sums on equivalent fractions. All the sums on equivalent fractions are based on for finding equivalent fractions, multiplication or division of the numerator and denominator with the same number has to be done. This is the principle behind solving the sums. So let us come first on first sum. Question 1. Write the proper number in the given box. Here, A example is like this. 1 upon 2 is equal to unknown number upon 20. And we have to find out this unknown number. Now everybody, let us start thinking. This is what is given and we will have to find out this amount. Since these are equivalent fractions, the value has to remain the same. Here the denominator is 2 and here the denominator is 20. So from 2, how can we arrive at 20 figure? Very easy, by multiplying 2 by 10. But the minute we multiply the denominator by 10, we will have to multiply the numerator also by 10. And hence, our answer, which has to be entered in our answer book, will be like this. 1 upon 2 is equal to 10 upon 20. Because 10 ones are 10 and 10 twos are 20. Now honey bunch, let us cover B part of question number 1. Here the equivalent fractions are given, but in both numerators are given and one denominator is missing, which we will have to fill up. Now our thinking starts. This is what is given. So from numerator of 4, if we have to come on numerator like 1, then we will have to divide this numerator by 4 in order to get 1, isn't it? And the minute we divide the numerator by 4, we will have to divide the denominator also by 4, and hence we will get final answer like 1 upon 5 is equal to 4 upon 20. Now let us finally solve question 2. From the fractions given below, pair off the equivalent fractions. First of all, try to understand the meaning of what they are asking us to do. They have given us so many fractions here, and for every fraction there is another जोड़ीदार, साथी है, and that साथी or जोड़ीदार we have to find out. So first step is decide whether you want to take the smallest numerator or smallest denominator, and then we will be starting. Now let me, by choice, let me take this as the smallest numerator. Find out which number in the numerator is coming in the table of 2. Now this number comes 2 7s are 14, 2 9s are 18 and 2 5s are 10. So there is a possibility that this number may be an equivalent of this. This number may be an equivalent or जोड़ीदार of this. And this number may be an equivalent of this. Now for arriving at this number, we have to multiply 2 by 7, isn't it? This is our fraction and we are multiplying 2 by 7 in order to get 14. And naturally, immediately we will have to multiply the denominator also in order to get 21 and find out whether this particular fraction is given to us in the series. No, it is not given, and hence this cannot be a Jodidar or equivalent fraction of 2 upon 3. Now we go to next one. For arriving at 18, when 2 is given here, we will have to multiply 2 by 9 to arrive at 18. 2 multiplied by 9 to arrive at 18, right? But immediately we will have to multiply the denominator also by 9. So 3 into 9 is equal to 27. Now check whether this particular one is coming in our series. Yes, it is coming in our series. So this number is a fraction which is equivalent to this. Immediately we have to write it in our answer book. 2 upon 3 is equal to 18 upon 27. Now let us wipe this off. This has to be done mentally. But since you are a beginner, we are doing it on the blackboard. Right? So this one is over. So this one is an equivalent of this one. Now let us come on the next one. 5 upon 7. So say the table of 5 and check which numbers are coming in table of 5 in the numerator. So this could be the answer or this could be the answer because in 5's table 10 is coming. So out of these two, if we take 5 upon 7 for arriving at 15, we will have to convert it into 15 by multiplying it by 3. So immediately multiply the denominator also by 3 and the denominator becomes 15 upon 21. Check whether this particular 15 upon 21 is in the given series. No, it is not given. So this is not our answer. Now what is the remaining one? Remaining one says that for arriving from 5 upon 7 to 10, 5 into 2 is 10. Immediately, denominator also has to be multiplied by 2 and hence we get 10 upon 14. Yes, this particular fraction is given here. So, our next answer is 5 upon 7 makes a pair with 10 upon 14. So now this is gone, we have used it. This is gone, we have used it. Here we have used these two, and what remains is this. Now 5. In 5's table, 15 is going to come if we multiply 5 by 3. So 5 into 3 is 15. So immediately multiply 11 by 3 to get this answer. So these two are making an equivalent fraction pair. So 5 upon 11 is equal to 15 upon 33. So this is gone. This we have used. 1 means we have used. And now what remains is this only. 7 into 2 is 14. So 9 into 2 is 18. So the remaining ones are forming an equivalent fractional pair. 7 upon 9 is equal to 14 upon 18. So this is our one answer, this is our second answer, this is our third answer, and this is our fourth answer. Let us take question number 3 under equivalent fractions. Find an equivalent fraction with denominator 18 for each. 1 upon 2, 2 upon 3, 4 upon 6, 2 upon 9. Now how the thinking must be? We will have to underline important words where we may go wrong. Denominator 18 has to be there is their condition, and hence in thinking we will be writing 18 as denominator everywhere. Now the first one is 1 upon 2. For getting 18 as denominator, 2 has to be multiplied by 9, and hence the numerator also has to be multiplied by 9. So 1 upon 2 becomes 9 upon 18. Next one, 2 upon 3. 2 upon 3. 3 has to be converted into 18 as the denominator. We know that 3 into 6 is 18. So again numerator has to be multiplied by 6, and hence here the value will be 6 2s are 12. Now next third one, 4 upon 6. 4 upon 6. This denominator has to be turned to 18. 6 3s are 18. So here we multiply it by 3. Hence numerator also has to be multiplied by 3. So on top we get 12 upon 18. Now next one. 2 upon 9. 2 upon 9. The denominator has to be converted into 18. This denominator will be multiplied by 2, and hence numerator also has to be multiplied by 2. So here 2 2s are 4. 4 becomes the numerator in the last example. So our answers are 1 upon 2 is equal to 9 upon 18. Then second one, 2 upon 3 is equal to 12 upon 18. The third answer is 4 upon 6 is equal to 12 upon 18. And the last one is 2 upon 9 is equal to 4 upon 18. Let's come on the question 4. Find two equivalent fractions for each of the following fractions. First fraction that is given to us is 7 upon 9. The second one is 4 upon 5. And the third one is 3 upon 11. Now they just want equivalent fractions for each one of them. So suppose if I multiply this by 2, then I am going to get 18 here. Numerator also has to be multiplied by 2, and hence we get 14. So this is one equivalent fraction to 7 upon 9. Now next one we will come on 3 number. If we multiply 9 by multiplied by 3, then we get 9 3s are 27. But then we will have to multiply the numerator also by 3, and hence we will get 7 3s are 21. So this 7 upon 9 has got two equivalent fractions, and the answer which we will have to write is equal to 7 upon 9 is equal to 14 upon 18 is equal to 21 upon 27. Now we come on the next one. Here also the same procedure we have to follow. Suppose if we multiply denominator by 2, then we will have to multiply numerator also by 2. So the first equivalent fraction will be 8 upon 10. Now instead of 2, if we multiply it with 3, the numerator as well as denominator, then what do we get? 4 3s are 12 and 5 3s are 15. So second answer is 4 upon 5 is equal to 8 upon 10 is equal to 12 upon 15. This is our second answer. Now the third one, same procedure we are going to follow. Here multiply it with 2. Then numerator also we will have to multiply with 2. So we get 3 2s are 6, 11 2s are 22. Suppose instead of 2 we multiply by 3. Then we get 3 3s are 9, 11 3s are 33. So our last answer is 3 upon 11 is equal to 6 upon 22 is equal to 9 upon 33. So that's it.